How to change language on Quora app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change language on Quora app easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Quora app. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, then go down and choose this settings option down here, and from here you will be able to change the language. Just click on languages option and now choose the language you want just from here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.